Hey guys, it's Ravenhawk6910 reporting once again. In this video, we're going to take a look at the unique Scaletrains Rivet counter Burlington Northern SD40-2B with DCC and ESU Loksound. First up though, it is disclaimer time. The pros and cons in this video are not representations of my personal opinion. They attempt to be objective in nature and as such are either community opinions or facts about the model that I can represent on camera. So please don't assume anything in this video is my personal opinion unless I state so otherwise. Additionally, it's important to note that I do not speak on behalf of Scaletrains and am not endorsed by any company. I'm an independent reviewer and the work I do does not reflect the thoughts of any companies in question. Built in 1980 by GMD in Canada as a standard Burlington Northern SD40-2, the 7502 came into existence after it was wrecked sometime in the 1980s. The cab was removed and the dynamic brakes were relocated to the front of the short hood. 7502 is one of three such rebuilds the Burlington Northern rostered. The trio continued into the BNSF era and can still be found today working the hump yard in Galesburg, Illinois, renumbered now to BNSF 300 through 302. Scaletrains announced the latest run of SD40-2s in April of 2023 and delivered them in March of 2024. Among the standard cab units, the BNB unit was among the release, which has proven very popular with modelers of BN and BNSF. Feature-wise, this model comes with ESU Loksound, DCC, and LED lighting, which includes the front and rear headlights and color-changing marker lights on both ends of the locomotive, which change to white, green, and red using function 5 on your DCC remote. The sound system on the locomotive is also unique as it does not come with either a horn or a bell as per the prototype, which is nice to see. I kind of half expected Scaletrains to put a full sound set in this thing like other companies probably would, but they didn't. Also something I like on this model are the rust metal painted wheels. This feature first appeared on the Rivet counter AC4400 CWs and appears to be coming on future releases as well. Now as for operation, the locomotive is fully functional and runs on its own power just like anything else, though it's not intended to be ran by itself of course, so lash it up with other units for the best results. Alright, we're ready to run the unit, but I don't own any other Burlington Northern locomotives at the time of this recording. So with that being said, I'm going to run this engine with my Central Maine and Quebec SD40-2Fs. Let's go ahead and roll them out. Alright, that just about sums up this B unit. Scaletrains offers these on their website for $299.99 for DCC and sound, and $199.99 for straight DC units. You can purchase them by going to their website, www.scaletrains.com, or from any of their authorized dealers. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in the next review. This is Ravenhawk6910, signing off.